This 2020 Grand Design Reflection 337 RLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 35 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleep 6, TV, smoke detector, slide-out, oven, auxiliary battery, awning, air conditioning, DVD player, skylight, water heater, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Grand Design Reflection 337 RLS is 10,570 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.